Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my most recent video. I took a trip to California to meet my brother and we had a great time, and I wanted to show you guys this Traeger grill that he has. Go ahead and take a look at the Traeger grill. I loved it, it's amazing. Get one. Okay, so here we have the Traeger grill. There's the fat dripping bucket, and then you open it up and there's the grates, which actually don't get very hot when you use it. There's the temperature controls, and then it actually runs on these pellets. This is a pellet grill, and these come in bags you can purchase at the store. Here's what they look like up close. Very, very nice. All right, so we got all of our ingredients. We're gonna make a brisket, some ribs, and then we're gonna make the green salsa from the YouTube channel, the other video, and we're gonna put it all together and we'll see how it turns out tonight. Okay, so we have the meat on the Traeger. Let's check it out. Smells delicious. All right, now a word from our sponsor. Actually, we don't have a sponsor, but just wanted to let you know that meat can take anywhere between 2 and 9 hours to cook. Very low temperature, but very delicious. Oh yeah, you want this. Oh yeah, you want this. It just falls right off the bone. Check out the glistening juices. Beautiful rib. We're gonna take the bite, right? Delicious. All right, so we're gonna try the brisket. Get a good look at it. All right, here it goes. One more one. There we go. So good. Finished product. Ribs, beef brisket, smoked in the Traeger. You want this. You want it. All right, guys, thanks for checking out the video on the Traeger grill. Leave in the comments below if you think that you're interested now in buying one, what you thought about it. If you have any questions about what the food tasted like or anything like that. And make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.
I don't want it.
You want it.